yesterday by our esteemed judging panel. They have broken it down to our top 15 competitors. All right, here we go. Ladies, when you hear your number, please step forward on the center line, please. Our first finalist, competitor number 1. Number 5, Anastasia. Competitor number 10, Traisha. Number 13, Andrea. 14, Joey. 15, Marion. Number 21, Diana. Number 33, Angelica. Competitor 35, Nailima Thompson. Competitor 42, Isabel. Competitor 43, Athena. Number 61, Kendall. Number 76, Sabrina. And competitor 77, Jenny. And how about a big hand for our entire lineup here at our 2015 Olympia. All right, thank you very much, ladies. Folks, just like to know, competitors 76 and 77 are our UK finalists and qualified before the competition. Let's split our girls right in half, Barney. Let's have half on the left side, half on the right side. On the diagonals, please. All right, very good. Paul Andros.
Thank you, Bob. Can we please see number 1, 13, 15, 35, 43, 76, 61. Ladies, please stand so we can see your numbers. Hey, turn and face the curtain.